I am Marin Prasad Pandey. Today I am going to deliver a lecture upon the topic classification of organic compound for semester 2 student. This topic I will cover question answer type. First is short answer type questions. What is organic chemistry? Organic chemistry is the chemistry of carbon compounds except carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, carbonates, cyanides, carbides, etc. The other definition for organic chemistry is the branch of chemistry which deals with occurrence, preparation, properties, structure, composition, etc. of organic compounds. Second question is what is vital force theory? Famous chemist Berzelius in 1815 has put forward vital force theory. According to this theory, organic compounds are produced due to influence of a vital force and they could not be prepared artificially, that is in the laboratory. Third question is who at first synthesized the organic compounds in the laboratory? Wohler in 1828, a student of Berzelius, at first synthesized organic compound in the laboratory which is known as urea, NH2CO NH2. Urea is obtained by heating ammonium cyanide directly. The fourth question is what were the second and third organic compounds were synthesized in the laboratory? Second organic compound synthesized in the laboratory was acetic acid by Colway in 1845 and the third organic compound synthesized in the laboratory was methane by Berthelot in 1856. Next question is what are functional groups? The group upon which the main characteristics of an organic compound depends is called functional group of that compound. For example, ethyl alcohol having molecular formula C2H5OH has functional group hydroxyl group OH. For example, acetaldehyde molecular formula CH3CHO has functional group aldehyde, that is CHO group. Acetone molecular formula CH3COCH3 has functional group CO, that is ketone group. Acetic acid CH3COOH has functional group COOH, that is carboxyl group. Next question is what is homologous series? The series of organic compounds whereas there is CH2 differences between two consecutive members and show similarity in their chemical behavior are called homologous series and the compounds are called homologues. For example, in case of alkane, methane, ethane, propane, butane are homologues. In case of alcohol, methyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol, propyl alcohol. In case of corlic acids, formic acid, acetic acid, propionic acid are homologues. Next question is why carbon formed a number of compounds or why we study a separate branch of chemistry for compounds of carbon only. The answer is the carbon formed a number of compounds in comparison to other elements of the periodic table due to the following reasons. First, the valency of carbon is 4, that is it is tetravalent. High electronegativity value, that is 2.5. The size of carbon is small. Next is carbon has a very high catenation property. Carbon form multiple bonds with carbon itself or with other atoms. High ionization enthalpy of carbon. Carbon atoms show isomerism. What are differences between organic and inorganic compounds? Organic and inorganic compound differences are done in the following properties. First, bonds. Organic compounds have generally covalent bonds, whereas inorganic compounds have generally ionic bonds or electrovalent bonds. States, generally organic compounds are in liquid states, whereas inorganic compounds are generally solid state. Melting point are low for organic compounds, whereas high for inorganic compounds. Boiling points are also low for organic compounds and high for inorganic compounds. Solubility in water are generally low, but inorganic compounds have high solubility in water. Solubility in organic solvents Organic compounds generally highly soluble in organic solvents, and there is low solubility of inorganic compounds in organic solvents. Volatility generally high for organic compounds and low for inorganic compound. Isomerism generally exhibits by organic compounds but not generally so by inorganic compounds. Rate of reaction is slow for organic compounds, whereas it is fast for inorganic compounds. Some examples are methane, benzene are organic compounds, whereas sodium chloride, potassium chlorides are inorganic compounds. Write a short notes upon classification of organic compounds. As we know that organic compounds are generally made up of carbon with hydrogen, nitrogen, sulfur, oxygen, halogen, and metals. Carbon combines with other atoms by single, double or triple bonds. On the basis of nature of bonds and molecular structure, organic compounds are classified into two major categories as follows. First is open chain compounds or acyclic compound or aliphatic compounds. Open chain compounds are grouped under as aliphatic hydrocarbon, for example methane, ethane, ethylene, acetylene. Alkyl halides, methyl chloride, ethyl chloride, chloroform, carbon tetrachloride, etc. Aliphatic alcohols, methyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol, aliphatic ethers, dimethyl ether, diethyl ether, aliphatic aldehyde, CH3CHO, C2H5CHO, aliphatic ketones, CH3CO, CH3, C2H5CO, C2H5, aliphatic amines, methylamine, ethylamine, aliphatic acids, formic acids, and acetic acids. The second is closed chain compounds, that is cyclic compounds or ring compounds. Closed chain compounds are again divided into two categories, carbocyclic and heterocyclic. Carbocyclics are again divided into two categories, alicyclic and aromatic compounds. For example, alicyclics, cyclopropane, cyclobutane, cyclopentane, whereas for aromatic compounds is again divided into monocyclic and polycyclic. In case of monocyclic, benzene, toluene, phenol, benzoic acid comes under monocyclic aromatic compounds, whereas in case of polycyclic aromatic compounds, naphthalene, anthracene, phenanthrene are examples. In case of heterocyclic compounds are again divided into two categories, alicyclic compounds, that is tetrahydrofuran, piperidine, and aromatic compounds, it again divided into monocyclic and polycyclic. Monocyclic is pyrrole, pyridine, furan, thiophene, etc. Whereas in case of heterocyclic, polycyclic compounds are quinoline, isoquinoline, indole, etc. This is the summary chart of organic compounds which is classified. Students noted as a summary of classification. The last is multiple choice questions. Select the most suitable answer of the following. First, benzene is a compound. Here are four choices given: aliphatic, alicyclic, heterocyclic, and aromatic. The correct answer is aromatic. Cyclohexane is a compound. Four choices are here also given: aliphatic, alicyclic, heterocyclic, and aromatic. The answer is alicyclic. Pyridine is a compound. Aliphatic, alicyclic, heterocyclic, or aromatic. The correct answer is heterocyclic. Anthracene is a compound. Monocyclic, bicyclic, heterocyclic, polycyclic. The answer is polycyclic aromatic. Acetone is a compound. Aliphatic, alicyclic, heterocyclic, or aromatic. The answer is aliphatic. And the sixth last question is, vital force theory was proposed by Wohler, Kolbe, Berzelius, or Berthelot. The answer is Berzelius. The suggested books for preparation: student must concern the following books: Organic Chemistry by Morrison and Boyd, a textbook of Organic Chemistry, volume 1st and 2nd by I.L. Finar, Advanced Organic Chemistry by Bahal and Bahal, a textbook of Organic Chemistry by M.K. Jain, S.C. Sharma, and Amita. the topic is end. Students must contact on email for any types of inquiry. Thank you.